Lab 7, Task 1. Open house price data. Test if there is a significant difference in house prices for houses with 4 or more bedrooms if compared to the houses with 3 or less bedrooms. Answer the question for assessment. Okay, so let's go to File, Open, Browse, and go for house price. Right, we have already done that. Okay, delimited, next. Everything looks good. Finish. It clearly says that we need to compare houses with 4 or more bedrooms with 3 or less bedrooms. So go to sort and filter, custom sort, bedrooms. Okay, so that's it. Then this should be one group and this should be another group. Okay, we need to compare the prices, so let me mark it blue, and this part would be marked as, let's go for this one. Okay, that's fine. Now let's go for t-test equals, the first array is this F2 up to F22, 21, comma F22 up to F29. So that's it, comma 2, comma 3. That gives us p-value. P-value is 0.074081. 0.074081. So this is the p-value. What is the statistical interpretation? P-value is too small? No. P-value is 0.07 means 7%. So that's greater than 5%. P-value is much smaller than 5%? No. P-value much smaller than 5%? No. P-value is larger than 5%, thus answer is inconclusive. So we can't say that there is any significant difference in house prices with 4 or more bedrooms versus 3 or less bedrooms. What is the conclusion? Statistical interpretation agrees with the intuition. The house prices are different due to, no. We can't say that. The statistics does not conform to the intuition that there is a difference in house price, since one would expect number of bedrooms changes the house price. So that's it. And let's read others. Since the test is inconclusive, conclusion is inconclusive. No. Test does not make statistical sense. No. Okay. Let's go to task number 2. Open SAT data. Test if there is a significant difference in college GPA and SAT scores. Answer the question for assessment. So let's open SAT data. House price. Okay, SAT data. I have already opened SAT data, and we want to test if there is a significant difference in college GPA and SAT scores. In one empty cell, you write down t-test, and college GPA goes from A2 up to A101, comma SAT goes from C2 up to C101, comma 2, that's 2 tail test, comma 3, that's p-value. Okay, so that is 3.70974 e to the negative 69, so which is a very small number. What is the p-value? 0.51, 0.25, 6.10. No, none of this. What is the statistical interpretation? The p-value is too small to have a conclusive answer. The p-value is too large. The p-value is much smaller than 5%. Thus, we are very certain that average SAT scores are very different from GPAs. Yeah, so this is the one. Since p-value is smaller, none of the no. Statistical. What is the conclusion? Statistical interpretation agrees with intuition. Higher SAT, higher GPA. Statistics, no, that can't be the thing. Okay. Here we are not talking about SAT and higher SAT, higher GPA. No. The statistic confirms the intuition that high school and college GPA are similar. No. Since the test is inconclusive, we cannot say anything. No. I would go for this one, since the college GPA and SAT score does not are two entirely different things. So I would go for this one. Okay, apples and oranges. Okay, let's go to tasks 3. Test if there is a significant difference in death by hurricanes with category 1 and category 4. This is hurricanes data. Answer the question for assessment. Now let us open this hurricane data. Open, browse hurricanes, open, delimited, go ahead and finish it. It is custom sort using category. Okay, and we have this many, in these many years we have category 1 data and all deaths. So this is the first group. Let me mark it by orange color, and let's go for fourth, category 4. Okay, so this is category 4, and go for this one. So let me mark it as blue. Okay, so these are the two groups that we need to compare. So start with equals t test all deaths, so up to this point, up to 37, F2 up to F37, comma, now go down and F88 to F92. Okay, so that's it, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, so that's all. 0.12 0.12806, that's the p-value. So this is the p-value. What is the statistical interpretation? P-value is too small? No. P-value is too large? Yeah, that can be a answer. The p-value is smaller than 5%? No, none of this. So this would be the correct answer, since the p-value is too large. 0.12 is very large than 0.05. Okay, to have a conclusive answer. So that's it. And now what is the conclusion? The statistical interpretation agrees with the intuition. There is a difference in hurricane related death due to the strength of hurricanes. No, the statistical interpretation does not agree with the intuition that strength of the hurricane will make a difference in number of hurricane related deaths. So that might be a correct answer. Statistics confirm that hurricanes categories does not relate to death count. No, it's not that. It doesn't say that, it doesn't confirm anything. Okay, so B would be the correct answer. The statistical interpretation does not agree with the intuition that strength of the hurricane will make a difference in number of hurricane related deaths. Okay, so that's it. So that's the correct choice. Okay, now let us go to task number 4. Task number 4, use random number generator under data analysis to create two sets of data 30 points long. Use following parameters: number of variables 2, data points 30, normal distribution mean 100, standard deviation 10, and random seed 1332. Perform t-test on these two data sets. So let us go and come up with a new worksheet. Okay, so that's fine. Data, go for data analysis, find random number generator. Okay, click on OK. So this is two variables and 30 is the total random numbers. Normal distribution, mean is 100, and standard deviation is 10, I think so, and random seed is 1332. Okay, click on OK. So that's it. Now let us try to figure out the t-test among these two. So equals t-test, this is the first one, comma, this is the second one, comma 2, comma 3, and click on enter. So 0.365741, that's the p-value. 0.36 means it's way larger than 0.05. Okay, and it doesn't lie in any of these range, so none of this. What is the statistical interpretation? Statistical interpretation is it's too large to have a conclusive answer. What is the conclusion? Statistical interpretation agrees with the intuition. Data are created with identical means, and we can conclusively claim that they are different averages. No, that's not the thing. Okay, statistical interpretation agrees with intuition. Data are created with identical means. Yes, they are created with the same mean. Consequently, we cannot conclusively claim that they have different averages. No, we can't say that, since the p-value was quite large. Okay, so that should be one appropriate answer. The p-value is large and statistics confirm that data have identical level. No, it doesn't confirm that. Okay, so this would be the correct answer. Now let's go to task number 5. Use a random number generator. Create 3 columns of data 30 points long. Okay, for the first data set, use the following parameters: number of variables 2, number of data point 30, distribution normal, and mean is 20, standard deviation is 5, random is 1 2 3 4. So let me go to a new worksheet and go to data analysis, random number generator, click on OK. 2 30 normal, and mean is mean 20, standard deviation 5. Mean is 20, standard deviation is 5, and 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That's the random seed, and I click on OK. So this is it. Worksheet number 4 has this one. Now let me come up with another new worksheet, and number of variables 1 30 35 7767. So that would be data analysis, random number generator, click on OK. So this is 1 thing, this is 30, that's 5 7767, and OK. Then we'll get this thing, Control C, and click paste it near the data that we got earlier. Okay. Perform 2 t-tests, one comparing A and C, another B and C. A and C and B and C. Okay, so let me write this, A and C. So for A and C, you go for t-test. A is this much, comma, C is this much. Okay, comma, 2, comma, 3. Okay, that's fine. B and C. B and C. So that is also T equals T test. B and C means this is B, comma, this is C. Okay, comma, 2, comma, 3, and parenthesis closed. Okay, so that's fine. So one is 6.0599 e to the negative 10, 3.2645 e to the negative 9, which are very small numbers. Okay, so let's go for that. Both are, the p-values are, both are smaller than 5%, larger than 1%, no. One smaller than 1%, one larger than, no. One smaller than 5%, one larger than, no. Both is smaller than 1%, this is the one. What is the statistical interpretation for these two t-tests? In one case we have conclusive answer, while for no. Since both p-values are small in both cases, we have a conclusive answer, yes. Okay, so B is the conclusive answer, so that's fine. What is the conclusion? The p-value is very small and we can conclude that correlation between the data is significant.